This video will show you what to do if you keep getting this error that says Rockstar Games Launcher failed to initialize. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. In the services app, you will need to scroll down and find this program compatibility assistance service. Now double click on it. Now here you will need to make sure that the startup type is set to automatic or automatic delayed start. If it's set to disable or manual, make sure to change it to automatic. Now make sure that the service is running. If it's not running, click on the start option right here. After that, click apply followed by OK. Now try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher one more time and see if it works. If it doesn't, what you need to do is open File Explorer. Now here you will need to go to this Documents tab right here. You can also click on here. Now here find the Rockstar Games folder. Now open it. Now open the Social Club folder. Now here you should see this cache folder. Simply click on it and then select this trash icon at the top. Now try launching the Rockstar Games Launcher one more time. If the issue persists, head to the Documents folder again. And this time delete the entire Rockstar Games folder. You can also copy it to some other folder to create a backup. After you're done that, simply delete this folder and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to head to the C drive. Now open the program files folder. Now here find the Rockstar Games folder. Open it. Now here open the launcher. Now go to redistributables. Now go to Social Club and you will see this Social Club setup. Simply double click it and then run it. So follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Once you see this finished message, click on close. Next you need to head to the search menu and then type in UAC. Now select the first result that appears. Now here make sure this is set to all the way up. Now click on OK. Now you'll need to open the Rockstar Games Launcher. So simply open it. Now if you see any UAC prompt like this, make sure to select no. You might need to select no 2 or 3 times before you can continue. Once you do this, the Rockstar Game Launcher should run and you should be able to play your games without any problems. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.